Hey y'all, Susie and Regina Adventures here. We are at the Homewood Suites here in Port Canaveral, Cocoa Beach, room 612.
Hi everybody, welcome. Come on in, you in?
I'm in.
Susie had to take off her squeaky shoes. Anyway, this is room 612. We've never been in this one before, but we love it when we have the split room. Just love it. Because one can be out here watching TV and someone can be in there sleeping or watching TV. It has everything you need. So you have your kitchenette. It comes with everything you need. Plates, dishes, pots, pans, two-eyed stove, dishwasher, full size, freezer and refrigerator, the world's smallest coffee maker.
Full-size refrigerator there with an ice maker too. Look at that.
Nice little dinette, or if you're working, you can use it as that as well. Here's our lovely family room, and they always have a couch that turns into a queen-size bed. So it's great if you're on vacation, you're here for work, or going on a cruise, which we love. Right there is where you check your air for that room. And you also have one in here. And again, another TV and a king-size bed. Oh, that's nice. Whee! Nice and firm. Love it. Here's your bathroom. Again, the closet has the ironing board, iron, but no safe.
It's okay, we don't have no money to put in it anyway, right?
Not yet.
And the bathroom with the door that closes, so you got your privacy.
Privacy is
You gotta
important.
go to the toilet.
Especially
And
if you're
shower.
sharing a room with others.
Yes. And they have shampoo, conditioner, and bath wash.
All right, so again, if you're coming out this way, Homewood Suites is the place to be. Friendly. They have a tiki bar and a pool and a fitness room and a small basketball court. Drinks are pretty good.
Laundry.
Reasonable. They have laundry and they have breakfast till 11. It's not too bad. Like I said, it's clean, friendly, and convenient. So when coming to Cocoa, come to the Homewood Suites. Don't forget to hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe if you can. Until next time, bye y'all.